Hi, Roman. So I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough because I thought it would be a lot easier. So here I am in our Shopify store. If I go under Preferences and set up Google, you will notice this is the agency that helped us set this up. But you'll notice here, I want you to take a look at this number, a property number of 9071. They connected the wrong one. So if we take a look at our Google Analytics of what our GA4 one is, it should end in the 2258 one, right? But as you can see, if I go here, this hasn't been tracking correctly since we switched the website over. And if what you do see here, that 9071, this number here, I believe that I think they just made that up, but it's going under the wrong account. So mydogtra.com, it's not the right website, first of all. And I think this agency made up this number because this number is one we've never used before. So this shouldn't be connected to mydogtra whatsoever. It needs to be this one, which is the one we've predominantly been working with. Apologize since something's going on lagging here with my screen here. Let me refresh it. But in a nutshell, that is what's going on here. Take a look at the reports. As you can see, acquisition, traffic acquisition. If I go through basically from the 1st of July through now, this loads, it shows that nothing has been tracked here. And thus also our advertising hasn't been tracking properly. But then if I do go to the mydogtra property that they accidentally connected, you'll see here that there is traffic happening here because this is actually tracking our website, but it's doing it under the wrong one. We don't want it tracking on this account. This account, I think, was just made up recently. We need it to go under this 2258 account. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.